Hi, today I'm going to explain to you how the picture book This Is My Pet by Oakley and illustrated by Sally Garland, another easy story in English for kids, can be used to teach children how to read. I start using this book with my 7-year-old pupils, and this is the second year of English language learning. Let me explain to you how I use it. I'm Mia, and I create classroom activities that every teacher can use, and I also create games for kids that they can play with their parents at home. Regarding the use of the picture book This Is My Pet to learn how to read, hear me out. The story is really engaging. There is this boy, I named him Patrick because in the book he doesn't have a name, and he has this really big pet. Look at this chain. See, every next page is a wonder whether this specific animal is Patrick's pet, and every page gives the reason why this specific animal is not Patrick's pet. Not only do children learn what animals do, for instance, this one keeps food in its cheeks. They also learn what sounds they make, and with every page they wonder what on earth Patrick's pet could be. Because see, this here is Patrick's pet, and here, and here. Really engaging for kids. To make it even more personal, I always start the storytelling by asking children to guess what they think Patrick's pet is. They draw it. Masha thinks that Patrick's pet is a bear. Julia thinks it's a tiger. And Mara, she thinks, because of the chain, that Patrick's pet is a dinosaur. And then we read one animal per lesson. And every time we add a new animal, we start reading from the beginning. You wonder why? Because when introducing letters and sounds to children, it is important that children know the story by heart. This way they know what the words are and thus easier connect the sounds and pronunciation to those words. Thank you for watching. For today, this is it. But in my following videos, I'll show you some activities, how to go about it to teach children to read. This is a method tailored specifically for young learners, where the language is addressed the way children see the world. This way, they understand absolutely everything. Stay tuned. The best way? Like, subscribe. Don't forget to click the subscription bell. And see you in my next video.